Hi, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to show you how to synchronize data across multiple devices. All the data from your restaurant is synchronized automatically across all smartphones, tablets, and computers that have a stable Wi-Fi connection and are logged into the same restaurant. Why are my orders not appearing on some devices? An order should appear on every device in your restaurant a few seconds after the waiter has sent it. This is also true for all the changes made to the menu and the tables. If your orders aren't synchronizing, here are some points to find out how to fix it. First is multiple restaurants. The first thing to do if your orders or menu aren't synchronizing is to be sure that all the devices in your restaurant are logged into the very same restaurant. Please follow these steps. Open the Waiterio app and log in. Navigate to the Account tab. Click on the Logout button. Then log back to the app. If during the login you're asked to choose a restaurant, then your user is part of multiple restaurants. You will have to pay extra attention to logging in at the very same restaurant on all of your smartphones, tablets, and computers where you are using Waiterio. Repeat the steps for all the devices in your restaurant. Second, unstable internet connection. Waiterio requires a stable internet connection in order to synchronize data across all devices. Here are some recommendations to have a stable internet connection. Use a DSL or fiber optic connection. Use at least 4G or higher mobile network types. Use a high-quality hotspot router. Verify your connection by using major websites like Google in your browser. Test your speed by logging into speedtest.net. We recommend you to subscribe to a stable internet provider. You will have less problems in the future. Tourists love fast, free Wi-Fi in restaurants. Having free Wi-Fi is a must in cafes. Third, sleepy devices. Sometimes your orders synchronize correctly after you've logged out and logged back in, but they stop synchronizing correctly after a few minutes. This is either caused by an unstable internet connection or by the device going into sleep mode. Here are some things you need to check in order for your device not to go in sleep mode. Disable all energy-saving options, sleep modes for the screen and for the Wi-Fi. If you have the chance to purchase quality devices, then go for it. It may lessen your equipment problems in the future. Keep the devices connected to our charging cable to see if anything changes. Try to observe the synchronization problem on some devices. Try also to observe the synchronization problem in any specific time of the day. Please be sure to try all solutions mentioned before contacting Waiterio support. Otherwise, the technical support will just ask you the same procedure mentioned. And there you have it, some tips on how to synchronize your data across multiple devices. Thank you very much and have a great day.